We're at Classic Helicopters.
We are here to meet Adam, the helicopter pilot, and we got a lot to talk about.
Let's do it.
Today is the big day. Stephen is over at the airport getting everything ready with the copter. I'm here at Dairy Queen getting the family's meal ready. Steffan and Julie are coming over here for what they think is just a quick meal and then some family pictures across the street at the park. What they don't know is that before they head over to the park to get their family photo session in, I gotta change, run over to the park, intercept them, give Stephen the cue, have the helicopter land, and boom. Sounds easy, right?
All right, Adam.
Hey.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
This is Aaron, Steffan's brother.
Aaron?
This is gonna mean so much to him.
We're gonna do our best to get him a good ride.
Awesome.
We got a couple weather dynamics that we're gonna need to kind of get in front of. So let's go over a couple safety things first, seat belts, that kind of stuff, and then we'll get in the air. All right?
All right, Will, we just took off and we're on our way. Over.
They're here, they are here. They just ordered their food, so let me know when you're 15 minutes out, okay?
Perfect, perfect.
He is right behind me getting a drink right now. I'm keeping an eye on them so that the helicopter knows exactly when to land. He's getting his food.
Looks like we got some clouds that are covering the peaks there. We're actually going to have to drop down and head up through Parley's Canyon. A little bit lower route, so going direct to Heber is not an option at this point. Okay, Will, just as a heads up, the weather's a little unpredictable. We might have to take an alternate route. We're not that far away, but it looks like we might be just a little bit late.
How late is late? Over.
Hey, Adam. How much longer do you think it'll be? Probably no more than 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes is the ETA.
They are leaving in just a couple minutes. I need you guys here ASAP.
Is it possible to stall them? Can you stall them, Will?
I don't know how long I can keep them here.
Can we give them some free dessert? Great, they're gonna ask the manager, but just get here as soon as you can.
Do your best, Will.
Do your best. Okay. How's it going over here? Everybody enjoying the meal?
Oh yeah. Super.
Awesome. Well, the manager wants to comp a couple shakes. So can we get you a shake?
I'll have the caramel marshmallow shake.
A chocolate shake, caramel, and marshmallow. Got it. I need 2 shakes and a cup of fruit. Here we go. We got a caramel and marshmallow cream. And this is strawberries and raspberries with non-dairy whipped topping. Okay, Stephen, they are actually leaving the restaurant right now. Where are you guys?
We're still not quite there. Just 2 more minutes. If you can do that, 2 more minutes, Will.
I gotta get changed and in position, man. Just keep talking to me, okay? All right, I gotta get changed across the street and meet them before they leave. I gotta go now.
Okay, they're getting to their cars, guys.
Come on. How's my hair? Do I need this jacket? We're going up in the mountain.
Yeah, get them. Here we go.
Okay.
We're here, Will. We're here, Will. Can we land? What do you think?
Am I giving them a visual cue to come down, or? All right, I'm gonna let you know on the radio when to bring the chopper down.
Helicopter is on its way.
Well, hey guys. How's it going? They let me out. I got off early. I worked the night shift yesterday, so I got out early. Steffan? Julie?
Oh, hi.
How are you?
You're the guy at Dairy King.
I am, except I was joking. I don't actually work at Dairy King, guys. I'm with a show called Random Acts. I'm so happy to finally meet you guys in person because I know so much about you. Family members told us about some of the just difficulties that you've been going through the past couple of years, and just you know, with your vision and with other health issues. We just wanted to give you guys a special day, take you up into the mountains. So you got to do it in style. So guys, can you bring her in?
Okay, here we come.
How you doing?
I'm sure you already heard we're going to take you on a nice little ride, but we brought somebody that we thought that you would want to have come with you. Aaron.
Come on out, Aaron.
Come on out, Aaron. Let's bring out Aaron. There we go. What's up?
Hey, bud. We got you.
We got you good.
Well, should we go?
Yes.
Yeah. Woo!
Here we go. You
ready for this?
You got it?
Our very handsome pilot is named Adam. All right, so Steffan always gives up the good seat, so we are insisting that he gets in the front. He gets shotgun.
Love you too.
That's the best feeling in the world, isn't it? Wow. Hey, Buck, what? How's it going up there? Awesome. You having a good time? Hey, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, how was that, buddy?
Hey! We're on top of the world, guys!
Hey, fist bump. Fist bump. That was a good ride.
We did it. All right, guys, let's go over here and take a look at the view, huh? That's a view right there. Look at that. So would you say this is a good day?
Oh, awesome day.
You guys are good people, and we're so happy that we could just be a part of this day.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
All right, guys, so we got a little bit of time up here, so let's just enjoy the view and take it all in.
It was amazing to see his face. I could tell he was loving it. I am so happy just to hear how he could see so much view that he normally doesn't get. That meant everything to me. That is the gift of a lifetime. That isn't something that you get every day. And to be able to give that to him, it means everything to me.
Did everybody have a good time? Yeah! Woo! That is our show, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody say Random Acts on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Random Acts! I'm merely the conductor, but you guys are the steam that really keeps this thing in motion, in locomotion, if you will. So do me a favor and toot toot that subscribe button to keep this thing moving. A chugga 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 chugga. Are we done?